Hi again, it's Ms. Rucker with problems 9, 10, and 11. With this problem, we have Jalil who has the option of choosing between two summer jobs, one as a lifeguard or the other as a magazine salesman. All right, take a look at the answers. And if you have these same answers, then you may go ahead and move on to problem 12. If not, go ahead and follow along with me as I explain how we came up with these answers. So in the beginning, it's talking about Jalil, and he wants to work an hourly wage, either being a lifeguard or a magazine salesman. So we determined that our variable is the number of hours. So we write our let statement. Let X equal the number of hours. Now, problem 9 says Jalil wants to decide if he can earn more money working 20 hours as a lifeguard or 30 hours as a magazine salesman. So let's start with the lifeguard first. $25 per hour minus 100, which is the amount that he needed to pay for the lifeguard training course. So 25 hours or 20 hours at $25 per hour minus 100 leaves $400 earned for working 20 hours as a lifeguard. Moving over to the salesman, he's making $10 per hour. So 10 times 30 hours is $300. So in this case, he would earn more money working as a lifeguard because he'd earn $400 instead of $300 as a salesman. Number 10, Jalil wants to earn at least $1,000. So we need to write an inequality for each job to represent the number of hours he must work to earn at least $1,000. So as a lifeguard, we have 1,000 is less than or equal to $25 per hour minus $100. We solve that inequality and we end up with 44 is less than or equal to X, which if you reverse that, it then means X, the number of hours, has to be greater than or equal to 44 in order for him to earn at least $1,000. On the other side, as a salesman, $1,000 is less than or equal to $10 per hour. We solve that inequality by dividing by 10 on both sides. And here we have 100 is less than or equal to X, which again, if we reverse that, the number of hours has to be greater than 100. So in this case, we're looking at the total number of hours he would need to work in order to earn at least $1,000 in each job. For number 11, if Jalil wants to earn at least $1,000 in the least amount of time, he should choose the job as a lifeguard because in this case, he would only have to work at least 44 hours instead of working 100 hours to make $1,000 as a salesman. If you have any additional questions, please check with your teacher. Otherwise, you may go ahead and move on to number 12.